This is regarding the ISRO satellite launch, and we're going to quickly tell our viewers about that important piece of news coming in before we go back to the big story. And on your screens, India's workhorse rocket, the PSLV, is poised for a dramatic comeback after last year's setback. ISRO is all set to launch its 64th PSLV, that is the Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle mission, marking a critical moment for India's space program, signaling the rise of the country's private space ecosystem. Those are visuals that are coming in right now, Vidika, on our screens.
Absolutely, and the mission will lift off at in a few moments from now, I believe. This flight will carry a total of 15 satellites, including a highly classified surveillance satellite named Anvesha, developed by the DRDO. The last PSLV mission in May 2025, if you remember, Gauri, had ended in failure due to an anomaly in the rocket's third stage.
Yeah, and this upcoming launch is not just about deploying satellites, but about restoring confidence in India's most reliable launch vehicle. The mission is historic for another critical reason, that India's private space sector is stepping into the limelight, and for the first time, a single private company, Dhruva Space, is contributing 7 satellites to this mission. Those are visuals that we are putting out on our screens.
And this is their first mission of 2026.
All right. We come back to the big story that we are focused on. The visuals that viewers can see on the right-hand side of the screen, the one coming in from Sabarmati River front. And on the left-hand side, of course, you have the visuals coming in of ISRO, which is set to launch a spy satellite, the mega launch on your screen. Audio.
Here's the pillar of fire meets the canvas of blue. PSLV C-62 clearing the umbilical tower, a majestic liftoff.
PSLV C-62 प्रमोचन यान का सफलतापूर्ण उत्थापन प्रथम प्रमोचन मंच से और बढ़ चला है अपने उद्देश्य कक्षा की ओर इस मिशन को पूरा करने के लिए। EOS N1 उपग्रह उद्देश्य कक्षा की ओर।
Both strap-ons separated.
There's a confirmation from the Range Operations Director that the strap-on motors have been separated from the ongoing launch vehicle. However, the core S139 motor continues to burn and develop thrust.
दोनों स्ट्रैप-ऑन बूस्टर को यान से पृथक कर दिया गया है तथा कोर बूस्टर अभी भी प्रज्वलित है।
Shah station continues to track and Trivandrum station beginning to acquire trajectory data.
इस दौरान कोर बूस्टर 4800 किलोन्यूटन का प्रणोद उत्पन्न करता है और यान का दिशा निर्धारण करते हुए उद्दिष्ट कक्षा की ओर जा रहा है।
Second stage ignited. +2 minutes.
प्रथम चरण को यान से पृथक कर दिया गया है तथा द्वितीय चरण प्रज्वलित हो चुका है।
The first stage has completed its operation. The relative velocity at this time is 1.7 kilometers per second. Current altitude is 93 kilometers.
द्वितीय चरण विकास इंजन का प्रयोग करते हुए तथा ईंधन के रूप में US-25 तथा N2O4 का इस्तेमाल करता है और वर्तमान में यह 800 किलो न्यूटन का प्रणोद उत्पन्न कर रहा है।
151 second burn time for the PS2 stage for the present mission.
Payload fairing separated.
अभियान की ऊंचाई 123 किलोमीटर हो चुकी है। अब यह घने वातावरण से बाहर जा चुका है, इसलिए यान से ऊष्मा कवच को पृथक कर दिया गया है। द्वितीय चरण अभी भी प्रज्वलित है।